Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and launching settings now. Open Settings and tap the search field. This speeds access to obscure toggles. Make sure your Nothing OS and Android updates are installed because Circle to Search depends on System Search integration. Once done, verify you're signed into your Google account. The feature uses Google services. You're ready to locate the correct search options. Next, we'll enable the gesture and map it to Circle to Search. You'll navigate to Gestures or System Navigation in Settings and look for Circle or Custom Gesture options. Tap into the gesture list and enable the Circle shortcut. This assigns the motion to a system action. Next, choose the action target, pick Search, Google Assistant, or Google Lens depending on your preference. This binds the gesture to the search pipeline. Make sure to grant prompts for overlay and microphone access when requested, because those permissions let Circle to Search capture content. You should now test the Circle to Search by drawing the circle where you configured it on the home or lock screen and observe the search action. If it's inconsistent, go back and tweak sensitivity, recognition timeout, or reassign the action. Make sure microphone, overlay, and storage permissions remain allowed. If it still fails, restart the phone and clear the search or Google App Cache. Reinstall the update only as a last resort. This single troubleshooting step fixes most recognition and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.